Hey guys, today we are working on a 2012 F250. Came in here with the car kept going into a limp-in mode. What was going on is put the scanner on it. The scanner pulled up the code B10F1, which came up key in ignition. A bad key and ignition grounding problem. Well, I guess the guys already had it to another garage, and they went through the whole trouble codes. They cleared all the codes out, charged the guy for it anyway, for no reason to fix anything. Well, anyway, came here, same problem.